Hello, and welcome to another episode of Everyday English with Anna. I'm Anna, your host, and today's episode is going to be very special and very practical. We are going to talk about something simple but useful: a day in my life. Our goal is to help you learn how to talk about your daily routine in English, using easy vocabulary, real sentences, and natural conversation. And to make it more fun, I have a guest with me today. Please welcome Ryan.
Hi, Anna. Thanks for having me. I'm really excited to be here and talk about our daily lives. It's a great topic for English learners.
I agree. Let's get started. Ryan, can you tell us a little about your daily routine? From morning to night?
Sure. My typical day starts at 6:30 in the morning. I wake up, stretch a little, and then go straight to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I drink a glass of water and make a cup of coffee.
That sounds like a calm start to the day. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I do. I usually eat something light, like toast, eggs, or a bowl of cereal. Sometimes I have fruits too. While I eat, I listen to some music or check the news on my phone.
Nice. And what time do you start work?
I work from home, so I usually start at 9 a.m. Before that, I take a shower, get dressed, and prepare my workspace. I make a to-do list so I can organize my tasks for the day.
That's a good habit. So how long do you work?
I work until 12:30 p.m. Then I take a lunch break. After lunch, I go back to work at 1:30 p.m. and continue until around 5 or 6 p.m., depending on how busy the day is.
Sounds productive. What do you usually do after work?
After work, I take a walk outside or go for a short run. It helps me relax and stay healthy. Then I come back home, take a shower, and prepare dinner.
What's your favorite dinner meal?
I love pasta and grilled vegetables. Sometimes I cook rice with curry. I try to keep it simple but healthy.
That's a good routine. And what do you do at night?
In the evening, I watch a movie or read a book. I also call my parents or chat with friends. I try to sleep by 10:30 p.m.
Very balanced life. Now, let me share my daily routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. The first thing I do is drink warm water. Then I do 10 minutes of meditation. It helps me feel calm. After that, I take a shower, get dressed, and prepare breakfast. I love oatmeal with honey and bananas.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, I try to eat well. Then I start work at 9 a.m. I usually teach English online and record podcasts like this one. I love helping people learn English.
And you're very good at it.
Thank you. I work till 12:30 p.m. Then I have lunch, usually rice, vegetables, and sometimes soup. In the afternoon, I take a short nap if I'm tired. Then I go back to work and finish by 5 p.m.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I do yoga for 30 minutes in the evening. After that, I cook dinner, mostly vegetarian food. Then I read or write in my journal. I sleep around 11 p.m.
You also have a very good routine. So, Anna, why do you think it's important to talk about our daily routines in English?
Great question. Talking about your day is one of the most common conversations in English. If you learn how to describe your daily routine, you can talk to anyone, anywhere.
Yes, you can talk to friends, teachers, or even in interviews. It's simple vocabulary, but very useful.
Exactly. Now let's teach our listeners some key vocabulary from today.
Sure. Here are a few useful words. Wake up, brush teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast, start work, take a break, exercise, cook dinner, go to bed.
These words can help you explain your day clearly. Let's also look at some example sentences. I wake up at 7 a.m. I take a shower every morning. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
And you can use linking words like after that, then, later, finally.
Let's give our listeners a small task.
Good idea. Listeners, here's your homework. Write about your own daily routine in English. Use simple sentences. You can say what time you wake up, what you eat, when you work or study, and how you relax.
And you can also speak it out loud. Try to record your voice. This will help you improve your speaking and confidence.
If you do this every day for 1 week, your English will get much better.
Absolutely. Practice makes progress.
Before we go, let's share 3 tips to improve English using daily routines. First, talk about your day in English every night. Second, learn 3 new action words verbs each week. Third, listen to English podcasts like this while doing your chores.
Perfect tips. Thank you, Ryan, for being such a wonderful guest.
Thank you, Anna. I really enjoyed this conversation.
And thank you to our lovely listeners. Remember, your daily life is a great way to practice English. Keep learning, keep speaking, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. If you liked this episode, please like, share, and subscribe. This is Anna from Everyday English with Anna signing off. Until next time, take care and talk English every day.